G'day, mates! Welcome to the magic. I'm Sabrina, and I'm stoked to take you on an awesome adventure to the most magical place on Earth, Disney World. Get ready for heaps of thrills, laughs, and memories you'll never forget. From flying high with your favorite characters to scoffing down yummy treats, Disney World is like nothing you've ever seen. Buckle up and get ready for an epic trip through magical lands, awesome rides, and amazing shows. I'll be your guide, sharing all the best tips and tricks to make your Disney World trip absolutely unforgettable. Ready to make some magic? Let's go! A kingdom of enchantment, exploring Magic Kingdom. Welcome to a place where dreams come true and magic is real. This is the Magic Kingdom, a land of wonder and excitement, where every corner holds a new adventure. First stop, the famous Magic Kingdom. As you step through the gates, you're greeted by the iconic train station, a symbol of the journeys and adventures that await. The excitement in the air is palpable as guests of all ages eagerly make their way inside. Get ready to step into a world of fairy tales and dreams come true. Children dressed as princesses and princes, families with wide smiles, and the sheer joy of being in a place where imagination knows no bounds. As you walk down Main Street, USA, the smell of popcorn and the happy sounds of a band will grab your attention. The charming storefronts, the vintage vehicles, and the lively atmosphere make it feel like you've stepped back in time to a quaint, bustling town. Check out Cinderella's castle, it's massive! This iconic structure stands tall and majestic, a beacon of magic and wonder. It's the perfect backdrop for photos and a central point for many of the park's activities. Then head to Fantasyland, where you can fly with Dumbo, the flying elephant. This classic ride offers a whimsical experience as you soar above the park, giving you a bird's-eye view of the magical surroundings. Spin in Teacups with Alice, a dizzying and delightful ride that brings the whimsical world of Wonderland to life. The vibrant colours and playful design make it a favourite for both kids and adults. And even meet Mickey Mouse. The joy of meeting the iconic character is a highlight for many visitors. The smiles, hugs, and photos create memories that last a lifetime. Don't miss the It's a Small World ride, a fun boat trip with music from all over the world. This charming attraction features whimsical dolls and scenes from various cultures, all singing the iconic song that celebrates global unity and peace. And when the sun goes down, head to Main Street for the Festival of Fantasy Parade, a huge party with awesome floats, your favourite characters, and catchy tunes. The night sky lights up with dazzling displays, making it a perfect end to a magical day at the Magic Kingdom. Adventures around the globe, Epcot's wonders. Welcome to a place where imagination and innovation come together to create an unforgettable experience. Next up, we're off to Epcot, a place all about cool inventions and the amazing things in our world. Epcot is not just a theme park. It's a celebration of human achievement and potential. From the moment you step through the gates, you're transported into a world of endless possibilities. Epcot has two parts: Future World, with all the latest tech and science stuff, and World Showcase, where you can visit 11 different countries with their real buildings, food, and entertainment. Future World is a hub of innovation, where you can explore cutting-edge technology and marvel at the wonders of science. Meanwhile, World Showcase offers a cultural journey like no other, allowing you to experience the traditions, cuisine, and artistry of nations from around the globe. In Future World, try the super-fast test track, where you can design your own virtual concept car and then take it for a high-speed spin on the test track. It's an exhilarating experience that combines creativity with adrenaline. Explore the human body on Body Wars, an interactive adventure that takes you on a journey through the inner workings of the human anatomy. It's both educational and thrilling, making it a must-see for curious minds. Or pretend you're going to Mars on Mission Space. This ride simulates the experience of a space mission, complete with G-forces and the sensation of weightlessness. It's as close as you can get to being an astronaut without leaving Earth. Then, walk around World Showcase, try some tasty snacks from different countries, and immerse yourself in the rich cultures and traditions of each pavilion. Whether you're sampling sushi in Japan, savouring pastries in France, or enjoying bratwurst in Germany, there's something to delight every palate. Learn about the cultures of Mexico, Norway, China, and heaps more. Each pavilion offers unique experiences, from traditional performances to hands-on activities, making it a truly immersive cultural adventure. Don't miss the amazing Disney Harmonious show at night, with fireworks, lasers, and water, all set to Disney music. This spectacular show brings together the best of Disney's storytelling and technological prowess, creating a magical end to your day at Epcot. It's a celebration of music, light, and color that will leave you in awe. Roaring into the wild animal kingdom beckons. Welcome to a world where adventure meets nature and imagination knows no bounds. Disney's Animal Kingdom is not just a theme park, it's a journey into the heart of the wild. Get ready for a walk on the wild side at Disney's Animal Kingdom. As you step through the gates, you're transported into a realm where the magic of Disney meets the wonders of the natural world. Families and friends gather, eager to explore the vast landscapes and diverse attractions that await. This massive park is home to over 2,000 animals from everywhere, with awesome rides, cool experiences, and chances to see animals up close. From the majestic lions to the playful monkeys, every corner of the park offers a new discovery. The park is divided into several themed areas, each offering unique experiences and encounters with wildlife. Go on a safari adventure through the African savanna on Kilimanjaro safaris, where you'll see giraffes, zebras, and even rhinos roaming freely. The safari guides share fascinating facts about the animals and their habitats, making it an educational experience for all ages. Elephants and lions. The thrill of seeing these magnificent creatures in a setting that mimics their natural habitat is truly unforgettable. It's a chance to connect with nature in a way that's both thrilling and enlightening. Then, get ready to get wet on the Kali River Rapids in the Asian rainforest. This exhilarating ride takes you through the lush landscapes of Asia with twists, turns, and plenty of splashes. It's a refreshing break from the Florida heat and a fun adventure for the whole family. And for something really special, check out Pandora: The World of Avatar. This otherworldly land brings James Cameron's epic film to life with stunning detail. The floating mountains, bioluminescent plants, and alien wildlife create an immersive experience that's unlike anything else. Fly on a Banshee on Avatar Flight of Passage, it's like you're really flying. This state-of-the-art ride uses cutting-edge technology to simulate the sensation of flight, offering breathtaking views of Pandora's landscapes. It's a must-do for thrill-seekers and fans of the film alike. And don't miss the Navi River Journey, a relaxing boat ride through Pandora's beautiful rainforest. As you glide along the river, you'll be surrounded by glowing flora and fauna, accompanied by the soothing sounds of the forest. It's a serene and magical way to end your adventure in Pandora. Lights, camera, action, Hollywood Studios adventure. Get ready for your close-up at Disney's Hollywood Studios, a place that celebrates the golden age of Hollywood and all the magic of show business. Experience the glitz and glamour of old Hollywood on Sunset Boulevard, then step into the action-packed world of Star Wars: Galaxy's Edge. Feel your stomach drop on the Twilight Zone Tower of Terror, a spooky elevator ride. Join Captain Jack Sparrow on a pirate adventure on Pirates of the Caribbean. And you can't leave Hollywood Studios without visiting Toy Story Land, where you can shrink down to the size of a toy and hang out with Woody, Buzz, and the gang. Feasting with fantasy culinary delights at Disney World. No trip to Disney World is complete without trying all the awesome food. From quick snacks to fancy meals with characters, there's something for everyone. For a really special meal, book a character dining experience. Have breakfast with the princesses at Cinderella's royal table, eat with Mickey and his friends at Chef Mickey's, or have brekkie with Donald Duck at Tusker House. And don't forget the classic Disney treats. Grab a Mickey Mouse pretzel, a Dole Whip, or a Mickey Mouse ice cream. They're all ripper. Navigating the magic tips for a seamless trip. Planning a Disney World trip can be a bit tricky, but with a bit of planning, you can have a magical and stress-free time. Here are a few tips. Book everything early. Disney World is super popular, so book your tickets, hotels, and restaurants ahead of time, especially during busy times. Download the My Disney Experience app. This app lets you manage your tickets, book restaurants, see how long the lines are, and even order food and drinks. If you're staying at a Disney hotel, use the extra magic hours, which give you extra time in the parks. Sabrina's top tips for conquering the crowds. Crowds are just part of Disney World, but there are ways to avoid long lines and make the most of your time. Get there early. The best way to beat the crowds is to get to the parks before they open. Use Rider Switch. If you have little kids who are too small for some rides, use Rider Switch. One parent waits with the kid while the other rides, then they swap without waiting in line again. Use the single rider lines. If you don't mind riding alone, the single rider line is usually shorter. With a bit of planning and these tips, you'll have an awesome Disney World trip. Until next time, Disney, that's it, mates. We've travelled through magical lands, gone on awesome rides, and made memories that will last forever. From the scary Twilight Zone Tower of Terror to getting a hug from Mickey Mouse, Disney World is a place where dreams come true. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your own magical trip to Disney World. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more adventures, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, keep dreaming big and making amazing memories.